We all have kind of an addiction, you know, to speed and to racing and to having fun. It's not just about running and being fast and winning. It's about the people and, you know, all the friends that we make doing these events.
I drive the 1969 Camaro Rally Sport. I actually had a stock clutch in this car before, and I was roasting it pretty good. It would sit there and get really hot and smoky, start slipping, and wouldn't hold the power at all. And decided a triple disc was what we wanted to do.
We're driving our 2017 C7 Corvette named Bernice. For a 6.2 liter, we're making huge power. We run the Centerforce 8 3/4 inch Triad clutch package in this car.
I drive the 65 Corvette we've nicknamed SCAR in autocross events across the country. That's got an LS3 in it that puts out over 600 horsepower now, so it's a beast. It'll go on the track, it'll go on the street. It's equally good at all of those things.
While we're out here, we're obviously looking at all the different vehicles to see what people are doing, because our product's in a lot of these vehicles, and this is how we get our feedback. Obviously, all applications are different. Every driver's different, so the ball is changing all the time as far as what's needed, and so that's why we have to stay on top of our game to make sure that we're always putting out the very best product.
Most of the series that we race in have to be street legal vehicles. There's a lot, I'm gonna be honest, that are questionable. This truck is probably one that's included, but if we want to drive it to an event, if we want to drive it to a car show, if we want to drive it to the racetrack, we had the ability to do that.
When we choose an aftermarket part, it needs to be better than OEM quality in order for us to pick it. And that's what a Centerforce clutch is. It's better than a factory clutch.
I like stuff that's made in America. Pretty much everything on my car that I purposely find and we test and develop with, we try to source everything US made.